Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check.
Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Expanse Season 2, Episode 7. I just watched the Episode 6. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link. The Episode 6 was really great. I didn't cry during it. And after Episode 4 and 5, it was a relief for me to not cry during this Episode 6. I hope that I'm not gonna cry during this Episode 7. During the last episode, what Naomi did, I'm not sure of that. I think that she kept the sample of that protomolecule, and I'm not sure that's something great. Of course, Holden is gonna be mad at her because of that, but it's much more the fact that that thing is still living that I'm not okay with, because maybe it's a good thing because they can use that thing for the fight between those aliens. We saw them at the end of the episode 6. What? I want to know more about that. Did they capture the Martian girl? I have trouble to remember her name, but really I like her. I don't want her to be hurt or something like that. I'm not sure of that. I don't want to lose anyone else in this show, okay? I'm really worried about this Martian girl and about Diogo because of that. Because of the dying thing, you know. I think that they are gonna be next. No? Don't tell me any spoiler, but really right now I have this impression. And I think that Erin Wright is gonna be killed. Is gonna be the messenger of what Chris Rand said during the last episode. That was so great. Earth threatening the Mouse family, but Erin Wright being the messenger of that, not sure this is good for him. Because also on the last episode he was speaking so bad to Mr. Mao. I'm not sure you can speak in that way to Mr. Mao without any consequences, you know? Not sure. So yes, at the end of the last episode we saw aliens attacking the Martian crew. They are dead. Where did they come from? They came fast, you know, they were... The protomolecule built a ship with Eros and exploded on Venus on the episode 5, and in episode 6 they are there already. They came really fast. Or maybe they were already there and no one knew. I want to know more about that. I accepted the fact that Miller is dead. I'm really not okay and happy about that, but yes, I accepted it. I know that I don't have the face of someone who accepted Miller's death, but yeah, he's dead. He's really dead. I hope that he's gonna be an inspiration for some people, for the betters. His love with Julie can be inspiring for some of them. I hope that they're gonna find a way to honor him, you know what I mean? I'm gonna cry if they will do that, but it will be nice. Let's go for episode 7! I love so much this music. I think I'm gonna download it just to have it on my phone. and listen to it when I'm gonna be in my car or... Yes, please save her! It means that they didn't capture her.
We need to choose an appropriate Martian target in response.
No! Stop that nonsense!
A peace summit.
Yes, please, you have to talk
What
together.
soldiers do?
Mars thinks it's our weapon, we think it's theirs. There are
Thank
two
you,
missions
Chris
in
Wren.
place and we're sending more. The next step will be war.
I never saw it to the Security Council.
You will sell it.
Listen
As
to
you
her.
sell Earth from Eris.
Yes,
Oh no, who really did that?
she did. Listen to her.
You ever run for office?
I like getting shit done, and I like to keep my head attached to my neck.
My
Nah.
father was smart, or smarter.
Her father? I want to know more about her. You related?
Back off.
Oh, what did you remember? You have to breathe. You're safe.
6 Blues.
But you saw something.
Son was killed with 11 others on his run. It's all right.
I'm...
Cortisol. They changed you.
What is he doing already?
Forever, right? It was painless, procedure. If you're interested.
I didn't say that. You made me remember when I was that boy.
So somebody hurt your mother?
I lost her a long time ago.
Ah.
Her name was Lydia.
Who?
Just someone that looked after me.
And you loved them.
I think I did.
You want to be that real boy again, to feel how you felt before the world broke you, the safety of your mother's embrace. You cauterized all that in order to survive. You don't want that back again. Stop.
Is this a metaphor? Don't listen to him.
I know how.
No, you're not... I had to cut the moment when I said during one of the last episodes that Amos was maybe too much interested by the fact that you can erase a part of your brain. I don't want him to think about it.
We have the missiles.
I liked you, Fred Johnson, really. I was like rooting for him, and right now I'm disappointed about him stealing those missiles.
Anderson Dawes should represent us.
Ooh.
I just imagine the look on the inners' faces when they see who is
Me too!
the table on them.
Like when they discovered that James Holden was that ship that could help them.
Earth and Mars at peace. And well, equal partners in that peace.
Don't lose! I'm really believing in that.
They see us as their possessions.
No, that was not it. No, not all of it.
Protect ourselves against this weapon. We killed the madman who made that weapon.
Miller did.
Arrows burn up into Venus.
Thanks to Miller.
They don't want another arrows any more than we do.
Okay, between Fred Johnson and Anderson Dawes, I'm choosing Fred Johnson. But the actor of Anderson is so intense, you know.
I was on arrows. The threat has been eliminated.
No, because Naomi
Earth and
kept
Mars
that
have
sample.
done the same things at each other for over 100 years. So let's give them back. Yes. Keeping the missiles is an act of war which will lead to the end of the belt. Using them gets us the same result.
Yes, for that I agree with you.
Right. You think this is over?
Ah,
I hope that it isn't.
you know it's not. She kept that sample. Am I right with that?
If Eris rammed into Earth,
your people, then you'd know.
Naomi. Oh! He's gonna see through you, like Lopez did with the Rocinante crew.
For the police, we're charging us. Hillman spotted a stray A drum over our position.
So 7 UN Marines were charging you.
It didn't make sense.
Well, it sounds like you're saying Earth initiated the attack.
That's
Stop
what I'm saying.
trying to manipulate her. No, please,
7 UN.
remember.
Yeah, they were charging at us.
You came away with nothing that could help the belt defend itself.
It wasn't.
No. He's gonna manipulate Naomi, and Naomi is gonna give him the sample. I said during season 1 that I liked his character, but I felt that if someone gave power to him, he's gonna do bad stuff with it.
You remind me of someone.
Just missing the hat, that's all.
Ah! Oh!
We are in this together. Otherwise, we're all lost.
Oh, listen to him, Naomi, please.
If you're going to the east, next time you get a job, huh?
Please remember, please. They have to know. They appear to be, but were they really, or maybe they were running away?
The 7th man, he was chasing them. The UN Marines, they weren't fighting.
Yes, someone was chasing them. You saw it.
That's an order.
Tell them.
That's enough.
No, I want to see more. I'm gonna... Okay, that was really an alien thing. I didn't imagine it. You didn't.
He says there's more proto-molecules out there. Well, Phoebe's gone. We drove arrows into Venus. We killed it. Apparently not all of it.
The sample. All done.
Does he know where? Not yet. If the belt has the proto-molecule, no one will ever use it against us again.
And what? You're gonna use it? Please. All done. Think.
Diogo Harari.
If you are touching or manipulating Diogo, you...
To keep my eye on you. Soon your legend will be better than mine.
Shut up. You're trying to manipulate him by flattering his ego.
It's hard to feel we matter out here, isn't it? Distances are so vast.
No. You're not gonna manipulate me also.
That we can make a difference.
No. I said no.
In the confusion of a communications blackout, your team fired first.
Sir, did you say we shot first? That thing was driving them
I
forward.
don't want to hear any more talk about a thing, Gunny. Are we clear?
But that's the truth.
You know what I remember most about Earth Day?
Oh, so you're gonna tell me a fucking story now to sell me on this bullshit?
Yes. I love your attitude.
My apologies, sir.
No, don't apologize.
Sorry, Gunny.
No.
When you get there, you'll tell them your story.
When I get there,
The true story.
You're going to her.
Oh, I'm happy for her, but I think that she's gonna be sad because she's gonna see what Mars is not. Alden, what are you doing? You were angry at Mina because he killed Dresden. Diogo, what did you do? Well done, Diogo.
I don't know where he is. Get your ass down here.
We'll lose him if you wait, just go!
Okay, you can be a good team. You two together, Alex and Naomi. I trust you, really. You can be a good team. But where is Amos? I know, I have an obsession with him. Is it possible that Amos is on that ship because he spoke with the scientist?
Gotcha.
Yes, well done, Alex.
Comes down to it. I go low, you go high. Open our door on my mark. Ready? You got me. Just me.
Diogo, 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 Diogo. That was a bluff. Anderson Dawes as the scientist now. Diogo helped him because he said to him what he knows, and he also participated at this bluff, this plan. Where is Amos? I'm afraid of that because Amos was talking with the scientist earlier, so where is he now? And Naomi, did you really destroy that sample? I'm not sure of it. See, I'm stressed. When I'm stressed, I'm playing with my hair. Naomi, what did you do? I'm not really sure that she destroyed that sample, and that scientist, he said that the proto-molecule was still alive somewhere, so maybe it was that. Holden was going to kill him. He changed. Really, he was so angry at Miller because Miller killed Dresden, so to be ready to do the same, he changed. Gunny, really, this girl, I love her so much now because I liked her during the first episode when we met her, because she was looking at what Mars can be, and that was really, you know, I was sad for her. But when she was attacked on the last episode, I was really worried about her. And now, during this episode, she was torturing herself to remember what happened, and I was scared for her because that was hard. I thought that she was not gonna be okay, that something bad was gonna happen because she remembered it. For her to not tell the truth, that's gonna be hard. I'm not sure she's able to not tell the truth. You know, she's a character, in France we say, elle est entière. She's herself and she's not playing, and I think that she can't force herself to be someone else, to do something that she doesn't want to. So to lie about what happened, that's gonna be hard. And yes, I understand the point of view of the Martian with that. They don't want to have a misunderstanding with Earth, and they don't want to declare the war, but that was not it. Okay, the blue ones were shooting first, but they were shooting because someone was chasing them, and why can't she say that? Why can't she say that truth? She's gonna go on Earth. I'm so happy for her because that's gonna be really good for her to see new thing. I want to see her reaction, but also she's gonna be so sad because Earth is really what she wants for Mars, so she's gonna be sad. That was a good episode, but I'm not happy about all of what happened during it. Diogo betraying the OPA, following Anderson Dawes, being manipulated by him. I'm not gonna watch another episode right now, and like I said at the introduction of my last reaction video, I'm watching the episode 6 and 7 today because I want to be in advance for the reaction videos and for the editing, because I'm gonna leave for a music festival, so I want to feed you with reaction videos about The Expanse, even if I'm not really there. I don't want you to see the change, you know, I don't want you to be impacted I don't know if it's a good word, by me taking days to go to a music festival. So I want to be in advance for my reaction videos. You're not gonna see the difference, but I want to warn you because I'm not gonna be able to respond to you as I can usually. So that can be an explanation. If I'm late to respond to you, it's logical. I'm not gonna have my computer. I'm just gonna have my phone to respond to you. So I'm not gonna be able to watch another episode of The Expanse until a full week. That's gonna be hard to not see. You saw it. I just panicked. Yes, I'm gonna spend an entire week without watching any episode of The Expanse. But that's fine, because you know I'm gonna be editing those videos. I'm gonna talk with you on the comments about the last one, so I'm not gonna see the difference. And I know that you are waiting for season 4, and I'm binge watching this show, so I have plenty of episodes to see, so I can't complain. But yes, an entire week without seeing any episode. We'll see if I handle that right or not. So it's all for The Expanse for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me you built a time machine?
Hey.